Foot injuries and disorders. Introduction. A bunion is a hard bump at the base of the big toe. Select true or false. Correct. A bunion happens when bone or tissue grows around the joint. It can cause the big toe to point inwards towards the other toes. Corns and calluses often appear on feet where the bony parts of your feet rub against your shoes. Select true or false. Correct. Corns and calluses are caused by pressure or friction on your skin. They may form when bony parts of the feet rub against your shoes. Are most plantar warts a serious health concern that requires treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. Most plantar warts are not a serious health concern and may not require treatment. In children, warts often go away on their own. In adults, they tend to stay. Is it true that fallen arches never cause any symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Some people experience foot pain, particularly in the heel or arch area. Swelling along the inside of the ankle may also happen. Hammer toe, claw toe, and mallet toe are all caused by stressed ligaments and tendons in the toe. Select true or false. Correct. The main types of toe deformities are caused by stressed ligaments and tendons in the affected toe. Thank you for using Explain.